Nostalgia helps us to revisit. Sometimes to understand, sometimes just to feel close to what we miss. The pandemic has shown us community and humanity. But there is a need to hit pause, take stock, and listen and learn from success stories to help rebuild, renew, and recover. Stories that started conversations, caused controversy, made epic leaps forward, intercepted society, and made a difference. Those that made us laugh and cry and say, "This is the magic. This is why we do what we do." From brands' response to the volatility of 2020 to those pre-pandemic, you'll dive into the truth behind the work that worked and uncover the lessons from the people behind them to guide you when the time is right. Because in good or bad times, the show must go on. Discover the truth behind the extraordinary.